Good evening everybody, Officer Woods here, back for another video, and today we are continuing our tutorial series. It's episode 3 today, and today we are going to be installing LSPDFR, the newest version 0.3.1, with the newest version of Rage plugin hook. Go open your internet browser and you go and head over to LSPDFR first response 0.3.1 on lspdfr.com. You go down here for a bit. You can read about it if you want, but we're just going to go hit download over there, and we need to download our terms of agreement, go have a read through them, and we are going to be doing the manual install. So hit that, and these capture challenges are always quite annoying. Some of them are quite hard, but I think just go through them. There you go. Wait 5 seconds as it says here. And then you'll find where you want to download it. We go head over to our downloads folder, Grand Theft Auto 5 mods. We're putting all our mods in there. The original mods folder that I called here last episode I've renamed to Strix because I forgot what it was called, but this is a plugin, I believe. I'm probably wrong, but I'm going to put it in the plugin folder. It should be plugins actually. Let me just quick rename that. And there we go, and then inside there we're going to create a folder called LSPDFR. Go inside there, and then we just go and hit save, and it will download the file, about 50 megabyte. Okay, so now you've downloaded LSPDFR first response. You're going to go and head over to the this page. It's the Rage plugin hook website. You're going to go and head over to the download section on the website, and you're going to see the Open Alpha 0.62. This it adds support for the game patch version 1365, which is the newest version at the present recording. You go hit there, and we are directed into this folder. We'll create a new folder called Rage plugin hook, which is RPH for short. We'll go inside that folder, go and save it there, very small file. What we're going to go and do now is close these because we don't need these anymore. We're going to go and head over to our downloads folder. Here we are in our plugins folder, LSPDFR, and we are going to open the WinRAR file, minimize that one for now, and you're going to go open your Steam common directory. There we go. We're going to go on to our modded version of the game, so that's not a clean version, so I'm going to head into the modded version. So we're continuing from the last episode. All you need to go and do is make sure you don't have the ...., file, because that's all your downloads and PC files and stuff like that. So go up there, and then you just hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard. You'll extract them. This is just a simple way of extracting them, and hit some empty space in your folder and hit Ctrl+V. You are going to replace everything that you see. So now you have LSPDFR installed. You do notice that you do have Rage plugin hook, but it's a severely outdated version of Rage plugin hook. So we always need to keep that up to date to keep it running okay. And for that, what we're going to need to do is go and head over to our where we downloaded Rage plugin hook. Which, if we go back, go to Rage plugin hook, it's over here. Go and highlight all this. Sorry about that. Highlight all that. Hit Ctrl+C. Find some empty space, hit Ctrl+V, and it's very important that you have replaced the files in this destination. So now you have LSPDFR and Rage plugin hook sorted inside your directory. So no longer are we going to use Steam to launch GTA 5. As to launch LSPDFR, okay, we need to go through Rage plugin hook. Okay, so first time you hit Rage plugin hook, we're going to just double click on it in our directory there. And it does take a few seconds on startup. Okay, and the first thing you need to do is read this disclaimer. We do strongly advise that you do take a few seconds to read through that. But I have read through it before, so I'm accepting it there. It'll be loading through a few minutes here. But this is a backup version game. Sure, you can do this, it's quite a useful thing to do, but you know our clean version of the game that we did our multiple directories in episode 1, our clean version is going to suffice as a backup, so I'm going to hit no on this, but feel free to hit yes, it's purely up to you. Now we have hit no, we just wait a few seconds and you have your general settings for Rage plugin hook. You have your launch key, which is F4, so when you hit F4 on your keyboard the console will open when you're in game. If you go ahead over to your plugin section, you have 3 options here: don't load any plugins on startup, load all plugins on startup, or load these plugins on startup. I recommend that you choose to load these plugins on startup so you can select which ones you do and don't want to. And this is LSPDFR for first response. You should have this if you've installed it correctly and followed the tutorial. So I'm going to hit a tick on that. This means that LSPDFR first response.dll, the plugin itself, will open on startup of Rage plugin hook. So when we're in game it will load, basically. You can go through all your advanced settings there, but you should have green down here saying that it is the updated version and things like that. But after you do this, you go and hit save and launch. There you go, and you can hold shift when it's loading in to find that settings page again. So you'll have this loading screen. Apologies if my recording cuts out here, it's probably might be a bit laggy or something like that. You probably won't have this thing here, but just go normal if you do. It means you've just task manager force closed it before or something like that. It'll launch your game. Do stand by, but don't do too much else in the background while this is loading up. I just generally let it do its thing. Okay, it's looking the game instance, and it should go into this corner there and hit enjoy. Apologies, there's probably going to be major lag with this, as I'm recording in not the right game mode in Bandicam. You should have this in the corner though, Rage plugin hook on the top bottom right. You need to make sure you have that. Okay, it'll load in. Apologies, there's probably major lag here, something like that. Okay, and then you'll have your splash screen when you're loading in. So it'll all have these things and they should be moving around. You should have this if you've done it correctly. And in the bottom right corner it should say loading story mode with Rage plugin hook. So guys, we'll just let this load and we'll meet you in there. Okay, so we've just come to this bit here where it said loaded plugin LSPDFR first response. This means that it is added to the game, and we've come into our game. So let me just go in third person quickly. You'll have all the LSPDFR successfully loaded, hopefully with Rage plugin hook public alpha. This means that it is all sorted correctly.